All right, so if you are looking at my chart right now, you see I'm trading on VIX 25. Okay, you also notice that the market is pushing to the upside, right? So if you're trading, if you are trying to analyze the market, if you're trying to come up with proper um, decisions on either to buy or to sell on any of these markets, okay, you have to understand that there are basic stuffs in the market that you want to be looking out for before you place an entry, before you execute a trade. Okay, so the first thing you want to do when you are on your chart is to see the direction of the market. Okay, you want to know where the market is going to. You want to see this with your naked eyes. You don't need indicators for that. Okay, and right on my chart you can see clearly that we have the market pushing to the upside. Even a novice, even a new, even someone who is just beginning to trade today would see clearly that the market is pushing to the upside. This is on the 4 hours time frame. Now why I'm doing this on the 4 hours time frame is because I consider the 4 hours time frame a very powerful time frame. I also like to analyze from the daily time frame. Okay, this is because I provide signals to a lot of people, and many of them are trading on a very small account, and I like to analyze markets from the daily time frame down to the lower time frame so that I can find proper entries for even appropriate entries for people with small accounts. Okay, so um this is VIX 25. Like I said earlier, it is pushing to the upside. You can see clearly that the market is printing the highs and the lows. Okay, it's printing the higher highs and the higher lows. All right, so if I'm placing my trend line here, I'm going to it's going to help you see clearly how the market is going upwards. Okay, so you notice we have this touch here, and the next touch is higher than the previous one, and the next one is even higher, okay, than the previous one. Okay, so that proves to us that the market is pushing to the upside. Let me also put this trend line here so you can see it more clearer. Okay, let me just allow my trend line to be like that. This is to enable you see the trend of this market. You can see that the market is pushing upwards. Okay, now this market has come to an area where a new trend is formed, and it's still going to the upside. Okay, you can see this other trend here is still pushing to the upside. Let me also I'm going to take this off. This is how I analyze market. I'm going to take this out first, and then this trend here, you can see clearly another trend here that is still pushing upwards. Okay, so this is a clear uptrend. All right, this is a clear uptrend, but you don't want to just rush in and take your trade because you have seen that the market is in an uptrend. Okay, what do you do? You want to switch to a lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. And on the 1 hour time frame, we could spot a support area clearly. Let me take that out first so I can can you guys see? I want to be using this rectangle right here to point out these supports right here. The supports. Okay, all right, so you notice that whenever price comes to that support area, it pushes back upwards. Whenever it comes to that point, it pushes back upwards. Okay, so now the market is back to that support, and we are on an uptrend. Now you want to be buying when the market in an uptrend is in a support level. Okay, your support level is your area of interest. If you are trying to buy, if you see the market in an uptrend, you are trying to buy, your support level is the area you want to be buying from. Okay, so price came to support level here, and now let me switch to 30 minutes time frame, and I notice very well that I'm going to have to adjust this. Yep, I noticed very well that price was at this level. You can see where I took the trade from. This was my first entry, so price did already come to this level, touch my support level, and then started going back upwards when I entered this trade. Okay, so price had come to my support level, and of course, like I said, you want to be buying when market is in your support level. Okay, why I'm switching to different time frames is because I want to get closer to the I want to get very close to the what is it called, I want to see that my candlesticks are very close to my support level, because I depend on structure for my stop losses. Okay, I depend on structure for my entry and my exit. So I want to see that price is actually at the area I want to be trading from, because my SL is not supposed to be too distant from my entry. So switching to the 15 minutes time frame, notice that price had come down, even formed this doji candlestick here. All right, and then the next movement was bullish. Okay, so we kept going upwards with the market. So this is why we entered this trade around here, because price was in the market was in an uptrend. The market price came to our support level, and we also saw that on the different time frames. From the daily time frame, you can notice that the previous candlestick on this time frame, which is this candlestick here, you notice that the previous candlestick on the daily time frame, which is this one I'm pointing at right now, is at a bullish level, right? It closed at a bullish level. All right, the market closed very bullish. Now price action allows you to use past price movement to study the future. Okay, so you'll be depending on the past candlesticks, right? Candlesticks that have opened and closed successfully. Okay, use that to judge the next movement. So on the daily time frame, you notice that there was a very bullish. Of course, you can even see that there was another bullish engulfing candlestick here that did not exactly play out. Okay, so that candlestick is still relevant, it's still going to play out. All right, so this is it. Price have come to this level on the lower time frame, and on the higher time frame the market is bullish. Okay, the market direction is to the upside. On the lower time frame, price has come to this level, the support level we spotted on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now if you switch to the 4 hours time frame, you also notice that there was a bullish rejection at this level that ended up closing as a doji, but did not play out. Okay, now price coming to our support level. All right, price coming to our support level is indication that this bullish candlestick, this doji that closed at this level that did not play out, might likely support price at this support level to play out. The support level might actually help that doji candlestick come true. That is how I see the market, and it works for me every time. Okay, so on that level, or the support level, if you switch to a lower time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, I don't skip any time frame, guys. On the 1 hour time frame now, I noticed another very strong bullish candlestick. Okay, this was another very strong bullish candlestick. Okay, so you switch to the 30 minutes time frame, you have seen that clearly we had this very strong bullish candlestick here. Okay, on the 15 minutes time frame, we still had bullish movements on this level. And guys, this is another reason why one should want to sell this market, to buy this market. Okay, now on the 15 minutes time frame, I think this was spotted on the 30 minutes time frame. This was a trend to the downside. This was a correctional trend. This was like a pullback into this support level. So price pulled back. We noticed that price have been on the bullish trend for a while, and now on the 30 minutes time frame, price was still going bullish. But you know also that the market does not just go straight. If it's buying, it does not just go straight all the way up. It creates the swing highs and lows. Okay, so price came to this high, created this high, and then corrected itself down to this support. Right, this support is another level where price is going to move back up from, which it did at this point. Okay, so price had moved up to this level, depending on the support level here, and of course every other condition that we just listed. Okay, so price is definitely going to want to come back into this other level. This level right here, this is a point where we were expecting a sort of turbulence in the market. Okay, at this level we're expecting a pullback, which is what is happening right now. Okay, and it's going to definitely pull back upwards. Okay, it's going to pull back upwards into this other level of the trend line, into this other part of the trend line, so that this trend can continue. Okay, this trend, it's either this trend is going to continue, or it's going to break out of this trend line and then retest and then continue upwards, because this is an uptrend. So guys, you want to be buying when the market is in an uptrend, you want to be selling when the market is in a downtrend. So if this market comes to this level and we see bearish structure, if you see bearish structure at this level, all right, if you see any bearish structure at this level, we just might take a sell at this level and come back down, because price is still might pull back into this other level, all right, to retest this side of the trend line of the higher the trend line exported on the higher time frame. All right, so price might just come back into this other side of the trend line before going back upwards again. So we are expecting price to react around this level. This is a mere retracement that is going to go back up to this level. Okay, so we are not worried. Stay tuned to this channel if you want to get more updates on how to analyze the market as a professional and take good trades for yourself. All right, subscribe, and don't forget to share. All right, so we also offer VIP signals to over 280 people. You can find the link to my WhatsApp on the description of this video. All right, we also give mentorship to people who are training with us. Learn in a couple of months, you're already a professional trader and you're doing this stuff by yourself. All right, so make sure you hit me up on WhatsApp. The link would be on the description of this video. All right, also join our free Telegram. The link would be on the description of this video also, guys. See you guys on another video. I need to concentrate on this market right now. Okay, guys, peace.